Honestly, today's game was the most undeserving victory we have ever gotten. Undeserving. West Brom clearly they deserve to win. I mean, the way they played and the way we played, in comparison, West Brom should have won. Seriously. The game, okay? First half, in 1 minute, 2 minutes something, we got a clear shot chance. I thought that was a goal, but their keeper saved. Again, also, same thing happened. First half only, we got another clear chance. Should have been a goal, but keeper saved. Other than that, first half, zero. Everyone was non existent. The ball is just going around, coming back, that is it. As if a foosball was going on. Positive thing in that first half was, other than those two chances, was Alex Telles. He was crossing. That's what a left back should do, actually. In the absence of Luke Shaw, I expected him to step up. I think he played good. But what was the crosses useful? No way. No one is there to connect. He's just putting, and the West Brom players are clearing it. Nothing. What do you expect him to do? You want him to cross and you want him to run and score also? Is that what you want? Second half started, I thought, manager must have said something. Dressing room, players will improve their pace, start creating more chances. Where? Ganta, on the opposite, we nearly got another penalty conceded. That VAR somehow, I don't know what happened over there, but somehow it went in our favor. Few minutes later, we got a penalty. Okay, that's a penalty, clear handball. At least Bruno, you have to now. You have scored so many penalties for us, and your technique hop skip has worked, but it's not going to work anymore. I'm kind of losing faith in it. That Navas also had saved it, and today that their Spider-Man goalkeeper also saved it, who by the way is our reject only. He also saved it. Luckily, same way as Navas, he was off his line, and he got a retake, and then you scored. So really, I'm starting to lose faith in Bruno for taking our penalties. We need someone who drills them. Keeper shouldn't stand a chance also. He's just passing it in a calm pass. That's not acceptable. When a penalty is given, you expect to get a goal. That one David De Gea saved our asses. Other than that, it would have been a draw, which I think honestly should have happened. We deserve to lose, I feel. Seriously, the way we played, we deserve to lose. We were very, very lucky to get away with a victory today. I mean, we were playing with two defensive midfielders against West Brom, who are struggling at the bottom of the table. You have to literally scroll to see West Brom's name. But we are playing against two defensive midfielders. I mean, I don't get what Donny has to do to get into the starting lineup, Ole. Seriously, what is in your head? What's your agenda for him? Just, give an interview and clarify things. Because the fans, really don't know what's going on. Defensive midfielders we are playing. Defensive. In a game that we should be winning 5-0, 3-0. But we are winning by one goal. That too a penalty. Barely scraping and holding on. Games tend to be this late, you at least expect to go to sleep with a smile on your face. But that's not happening at United. These smiles are disappeared. These smiles went when Ferguson retired. Those smiles, I don't think they're coming back for a very long time. Now all we have are tears. And they are not tears of joy also, tears of worry. The way United are playing, I really don't feel like even watching a second of their games. Seriously, they really bore me to death. Now, when I watch a football game, I want to see some excitement. I want to see some good goals. I want to see the team play well. Those women's league also will be better than this crap. Seriously, it's not worth staying up for these games. Really, when you expect them to beat someone, they beat. But that too, it's undeserving by a penalty. Today, the man of the match also was that West Brom keeper, John Stone or whatever his name is. When a opposition team's keeper is the man of the match, you really know that something is going on with the club. Even though we won the game, he clearly deserved the man of the match. The saves he pulled off. Come on. Point blank reflex saves. I don't know from what Jadoo mantra he did. Expected Martial, Rashford to score. But no, this guy last minute saves he's doing. Even that penalty, I thought, oh crap. This thing happened again. But somehow by God's grace, he was off his line. And I don't blame him. Keepers tend to do that sometimes. I don't know what is happening in this club, seriously. No one is even taking responsibility, no one's stepping up, nothing is happening. This club, I don't know, ever since Ferguson left, the interest in watching these games and being a fan of this club is diminishing day by day, match after match. Really, and the club is not doing anything to reverse that emotion. They are also playing part in it. No one is stepping up.